Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to download VirtualBox on our Windows machine, and then we will install Ubuntu on it. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So, the first step, we will Google download VirtualBox, or you can straight away go to the site Oracle VM VirtualBox, which is https www.virtualbox.org. Okay, this is the site for VirtualBox. On the top left, you can see downloads option. Now it has packages for Windows, Mac OS, and other versions as well. We are interested in Windows hosts. As you can see that it's getting downloaded. Let's wait for a moment. Okay, so now it's downloaded. We are just going to open it. Click on yes. Again next. No changes here. Just click on next. It will display a warning. You just can ignore that. Click on yes. It, if there are any kind of dependencies that are required, it will automatically install that for you. You don't need to worry about it. Simply click on yes and install. Okay, it's installing now. Okay, you can uncheck this that says start Oracle VM VirtualBox after installation. Let's keep it checked here. Click on finish. As you can see, it's installed now. Well, I have already downloaded the Kali and the Win7 um softwares on my machine. It is automatically displaying them for me. But we are not interested in these versions. We need to install the Ubuntu version of Linux. So let's move back again to our Chrome browser, and we are gonna search now for Ubuntu VirtualBox download. Let's download it from directly from Ubuntu. Go to the download button and get Ubuntu desktop. Currently, I can see two versions here, 22.04.2, and then we have 23.04. So let's install the latest one, because you can see that an IOC image is getting downloaded here. It's a big file, 4.6 GB file. So let's allow it a minute, or I will fast forward the video for you. Uh, so we have downloaded the Ubuntu uh, ISO the ISO file for Ubuntu Linux. So the next step, I will go to machine and click on new. I will I'm gonna type in the name here. Let's type in Ubuntu. Now you will have to specify the folder path, the path where you have downloaded the file, the ISO file. So let's select here and I will give it a path. I will click on open. Okay, click on next. Doesn't change anything, shouldn't change anything here. Leave everything, leave the default settings. Just go with the default settings here. Click on next, click on finish. Okay, that's it. We have installed Ubuntu, and now we are gonna run it for the first time. Let's follow the on-screen instructions here. Okay, let me enlarge it. It's installing. It will take some time. Okay, so now the blue screen. Don't know why I'm getting this error. Okay, I'm going to select English US. Click on next. Leave the default settings here, so the privacy one. Time zone, let me search if we have the Kolkata time zone. Yes, we do have. Click on next. You can skip this one. You can type in your name here. Type in your password. Make sure you remember that. Then confirm password. Okay, click on next. All done. Start using Ubuntu.